Oceans are beautiful. They teem with life. Whales sing their songs. Fish shimmer in coral reefs. But a silent threat lurks beneath the surface. Plastic. Plastic pollution is choking our oceans. It's everywhere. From coastlines to the deepest trenches, plastic doesn't belong here. It harms marine life and threatens our planet. Imagine a sea turtle mistaking a plastic bag for a jellyfish, or a seal tangled in discarded fishing nets. This is the reality. We must act now. Our choices determine the fate of our ocean. Plastic doesn't disappear. It breaks down into smaller pieces, called microplastics. These tiny particles spread throughout the ocean. They contaminate the water and harm marine life. Fish, birds, and other animals eat plastic. They mistake it for food. Plastic fills their stomachs, causing starvation. They suffer, unable to digest this unnatural material. Plastic also releases harmful chemicals. These toxins accumulate in the food chain. When we eat seafood, we ingest these chemicals too. Plastic pollution is not just an ocean problem, it's a human problem. Whales get caught in fishing nets. They can't break free. They drown or starve to death. These magnificent creatures suffer a slow and painful death. Seals get entangled in plastic rings. The rings cut into their flesh, causing infections. They can't escape. They suffer and often die from their injuries. Sea turtles eat plastic bags. They look like jellyfish. The plastic blocks their digestive system. They can't eat or swim properly. They become weak and die. Silent killers, microplastics in the food chain. Microplastics are tiny. We can't always see them, but they are everywhere in the ocean. Fish eat them, mistaking these plastics for food. These tiny plastic pieces fill up their stomachs. The fish feel full, but they aren't getting any nutrients. They starve to death. We eat seafood. We are part of the food chain. The microplastics in fish can end up in our bodies. This is a threat to our health. Hope on the horizon. Actions for change. We can make a difference. We must reduce our plastic use. We can start by using reusable bags, saying no to single-use plastics, and choosing products with less packaging. Support companies that are working to reduce plastic waste. Every little step counts. We can all be part of the solution. We must act now. Our choices today will determine the future of our oceans. Our shared responsibility, turning the tide. Education is key. We must teach others about the dangers of plastic pollution. We can share our knowledge with family and friends, support organizations working to clean up our oceans, donate our time or money. Together we can make a difference. The ocean is in trouble, but there is still hope. We can all be part of the solution. Let's protect our oceans for future generations.